G'day and welcome, my name's Jim, and today we're going to be trying to unseize one of my live ends. One of my live ends has decided to become a dead end after being under 4 metres of flood water and left for 2 years. Fancy that. Jeez, they just don't make things like they used to, eh? So first thing is, anyway, we've got to try and get the cover off. I don't have a tool to remove the cover, and unfortunately I don't have any welders or anything set up at the moment to make a tool or anything, so we're just going to use a center punch and try and knock this shit off. So, well, it is moving, thank goodness. I was actually worried that I was going to chew the front of it up so badly just trying to friggin' get this bit off. Alrighty, let's put this on the dining room table and have a look, shall we? The missus loves it when I pull my tools apart on the dining room table. How to get this bloody thing out? I believe we take the screw off the bottom here. This is where you normally inject oil into it. Oh, that looks good. Yeah. Don't even know if this is going to be savable, so let's see if we can knock the guts out of this thing. Yummy. Well, that looks very tasty. I can't imagine why it wasn't spinning. Poo? Look at it. Poo. Poo. Lots of poo. Oh God, this is terrible. You know the old expression, if I didn't laugh I'd cry. Jesus. Look at this crap. Ugh. Anybody want to taste? It's grease, oil and raw sewage. Nice. Look at it. Yeah, it's pretty gross. You can see why the missus loves it when I do this on the dining room table. Just try and scrape out some of this poo, I guess. Oh, there's so much of it. Yeah, it's pretty gross. Wonder if we could reuse that for something. You're not clearing it real well, is it?
Actually, it's cleaning them really, really rough.
I reckon.
Yeah. That's not dirt. I don't know what it is.
Bruh, it's pitted, I do believe.
It's just like little...
It's where the fucking bearings were sitting.
Oh, okay.
And it's rusted on the sides, on the outsides of it. So, I don't know, I might have to try and fucking clean it up somehow.
I don't know how the
Because otherwise, when it spins, it's going to like this constantly. Well, there you go. Hope you liked the video. I have 3 other channels. You can find them in the descriptions below. Feel free to check them out. Plenty of stuff to watch. I want to thank my Patreons, Mitch, Jackson and Blake, legend boys. If you want to be a legend too, head over to Patreon for exclusive videos and talk to me live. Or if you're broke like me, I get $1 for every 1,000 videos watched. So next time you go out, put on one of my playlists for your dog or your cat, or maybe even your goldfish might want to watch. So until next time, you'll be good, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Play the music!
Techno.
Cosmopolitan Railroad.